Hey guys, thanks for joining me today to create a Chinese plate pattern. What you're going to need is a lead pencil, an eraser, piece of paper and a plate to trace around. So anything round so that you can get this beautiful round shape. My plate fits within my paper. Ever so lightly trace around it because this is a guideline, this circle. I'm going to erase that shortly. So really light line. Just draw a series of 4 lines, 4 curvy lines. 1, and then repeat that in the opposite direction. So I'm going to turn it around this way to make it easier for me. 1, 2. Now I'm going to erase my guideline circle. At every intersection of the lines, of the wavy lines, at every intersection, we're going to draw flowers with 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the end of every line, I'm going to draw 2 leaves. 1 out that way, 1 out that way. 1 out that way, 1 out that way. In the middle of all these lines, I'm going to draw some more S shapes. 1, 2, 3 there, and I can fit 1 there. At the bottom of all of those curves, I'm going to put a dot. At the top of each of those S curves, I'm going to put more flowers. I'm going to make them a little bit small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to continue with some more S's. I've done all the ones that are in between. Now I'm going to go down ones and do more S's. 1 S, 2 S's, 3 S's, 4 S's. Onto these ones, I'm going to do the same thing. On the bottom, a dot. On the top of each of these ones, I'm going to do more leaves. Leaf, 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 leaf. The last thing I'm going to do now is thicken some of the stems. For example, on each of these flowers, these main intersecting flowers, I'm going to go through each one and darken the stem at the top and go lighter. Darken the stem and then come down to go lighter. Darken, lighter. And now I'm going to colour in with my pencil. You could get out coloured pencils at this point if you wanted to, but I think it looks quite lovely just as a pencil pattern. So I'm going to start by darkening all of my flowers. Now I'm going to darken the stems of the leaves as well. Come down with my just darkening and thickening the pattern. I'm going to go around the outside of the circle. Darken, thicken, darken. I think I'll darken some of the leaves on the inside as well. Enjoy creating your own Chinese plate pattern, also called Chinese porcelain pattern. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.